Good day, will you please introduce yourself?
Good morning, sir and madam. I am Rosario Ramos, 28 years old, single. I live in North Sagray, Bulacan, Philippines. My PhD are secondary level. I take a vocational course.
Okay, tell me about your working experience.
My working experience as a domestic helper are cleaning, washing, marketing, cooking, car wash.
Okay, when you are in Hong Kong to Mr. and Mrs. Lee, how many children did you take care?
I take our 2 children, boys, 10 years old.
Okay, how would you handle naughty children?
I handle naughty children, playing with them, teaching books, and I giving the love care to them.
Okay, do you know how to cook simple Chinese food?
I know how to cook a simple Chinese food like steamed fish, steamed pork, fried vegetable, fried rice, long soup.
Okay, in case you found something like money inside the pocket while washing your employer's clothes, or you found jewelry while cleaning the house, what will you do?
I giving them all my employer.
Okay, how will you win the trust of your employer?
I promise to my future employer I'm honest, hardworking.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work again in Hong Kong. I want to more earn money to support my family and to myself.
Okay, if you will give a chance to work in Hong Kong, what would you like to say something to your prospective employer? Sir, madam, if you will give me,
Sir and madam, I will,
if you will
if you will to give me
a chance
a chance
to work.
to work to you, I give you more the best to work and hardworking.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.